What's up guys, welcome to A Star Insight, and today you're getting a true insight because today I'm going to be showing you guys how much money you get from a video with 100,000 views. So listen guys, yeah, look, I know what you're here for, I know what you lot came for. And you, listen, you could have just asked. You could have asked, I would have told you lot, innit? But okay, we're here now, innit? Cool. And I'm gonna get to that in a second because I know that's what you lot are waiting for, but please, listen, please be patient, yeah? Please be patient. Because especially if you're someone who's trying to get on this YouTube grind, I need to tell you something before we go any further. Because I don't want to mislead you lot. I'm gonna tell you the things that the others, you know who I'm talking about, those other YouTubers, that they won't tell you. I'm gonna tell you because I've been honest with you guys since day one. That's not gonna stop. Now listen, okay? This 100, and I'm gonna illustrate this later. I'm gonna show you what I mean. But I need to tell you this first, yeah? This 100,000 views thing, this 100k views thing, yeah? Let me put it this way. This person can get 100,000 views on a video and get a completely different amount of money than this person that gets 100,000 Ks on their video, okay? So first things first, if you wanna, let me tell you how to, look, your video needs to be over 10 minutes, minimum. They're gonna change it to 8 soon, but minimum 10 minutes, yeah? So you can have mid-roll ads and so you can actually try to maximize the amount you're getting from your views. But most of you don't know that. If you don't know that, then I don't know what's going on. If you're someone who's just curious and you come here to see the money, then cool, innit? I don't blame you, yeah? But for you guys that are trying to grind on YouTube, you should have already known that. But it's cool, we move, yeah? So, 10 minutes minimum, okay? That's how you maximize it. If it's less than 10 minutes, then the money you're getting is going to be different. It's not going to be the same. Because you need those mid-roll ads, yeah? And you only get mid-roll ads if your video is over 10 minutes. So look, you're getting stuff for free now, well done. You came here for something and you're getting more than you bargained for. Be happy, okay? Now, this is the important part. You see the type of video you're posting? The type, yeah? The genre, whatever you call it. It works differently. So if you're someone who's into like the whole beauty and lifestyle thing, you can actually click that option when you're uploading a video. This video is beauty and lifestyle. They'll get something different to the people that upload gaming videos or vlogs or how-to videos or technology videos. By the way, the technology and how-to videos, they're getting the most, yeah? I'm just telling you, innit? But there's other genres like education and what type of stuff, yeah? But you'll see, you can do research, you'll see what I'm talking about. But it's the reason for this is because of the ads, yeah? So you're gonna get ads from people who, like from companies that obviously can profit from your type of content. And if you're doing stuff like beauty and that type of stuff, then there's going to be a lot of beauty brands that are pumping money into YouTube to put their ads up. So it's like you're going to be getting a good amount of money, you know, from 100k views. But if you're doing something where the niche is kind of small and there's not that many companies putting ads on that type of content, then it's a good chance that you're not going to be getting much. As well as that, your audience, that's very important. And look, I promise you, I'll show you. Just be patient with me. Be patient, guys. Relax, breathe, stay calm, okay? Stay calm. I'll show you, yeah? But your audience is very important as well. So like the demographic, so maybe the age of your audience, you know, if your audience is like little kids, then companies with toys and stuff will be pumping ads and you probably get a lot of money from that, you know, but more importantly, it's the country, like the area, you know, the continent that you're targeting. And let me tell you this, yeah, US, USA, UK, if that's where your bulk of your audience is that's watching your videos, then you're winning. I promise you're winning. Now look, you lot know, yeah, that on my main channel, I'm rocking with the Brazilians, okay? And although I love the Brazilians, unfortunately in Brazil, they're not really, I think their time is coming soon, but at the moment, the companies that are targeting the Brazilians, they're not really pumping money into YouTube. Like the powerhouses of like USA, for example, or the UK or other countries, you know, that have a lot of economical power. So that's also a factor. With that being said, it's time to show you guys what you came to see. Okay, let's move over to YouTube. Okay, so the first video I'm going to show you guys, yeah, is this video that I uploaded a little while ago. I think it's got this has got like 100k. So I'm going to show you two videos of 100k views, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, so this video's got like 100,000 views. It was two football teams from Brazil, and it was a reaction from that. Okay, and you can make up your own conclusions from this. Okay, but I'm just going to show you something. Now if I scroll down, you'll see that the majority of the viewership for this video was male. Yeah, and as you can see, the top countries, Brazil dominated this video. As you'd expect, it's a match from the Brazilian league. You know, 96% Brazilian. Yeah, so Brazil dominated this video. And then you got a few from Portugal, US, UK, Canada, etc. Okay, and you can see the age group. Age group is 18 to 24. Majority. Okay, so that's the demographic for this video, and I'll show you what this video made. So as you can see, for this particular video, 100,000 views, even more, a bit more than 100,000 views, made me a grand total of $56.73. Okay, that's what this video made me. Yeah, you can see, look, over 100,000 views, 56 dollars, 56, yeah. And I'll show you, and I'll break that down for you real quick. And look, just stay tuned. Look, I promise you guys, just focus. Yeah, just listen to me for a second. Just stay tuned, because I'm telling you, the others won't show you this. All right, now here's the breakdown, and the key point here that you need to look at is the playback based CPM. Yeah, that's 89p. That means that basically roughly for every 1,000 views, you'll get 89 pence. Yeah, 89, well, cents, because it's in dollars, right? And that's given that, you know, all those 1,000 views, they actually like watched the adverts, and they didn't have things like ad blocker and things like that. Okay, so 89 cents per 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views, 89 cents. If they don't have ad blocker and things like that. Yeah. So that, keep that in mind, the CPM, playback based CPM. Now, let me show you another video that got 100,000 views. Now this video, unlike the other one was a reaction, a sports based reaction. This video is an education video. It's educational, kind of like this one. It's an educational video. And I should mention at this point that, of course, the videos I'm showing you on my main channel, A Star for Bants. This channel doesn't really get that type of viewership just yet. Soon come. But I should state that just in case it's not that obvious. Yeah. This is from A Star for Bants, not A Star Insight. Yeah. As you can see, the audience, again, is mostly male, but there's a bit more females there. So this one has a better reach in terms of reaching both, being gender neutral, reaching both, you know, all genders. As you can see, the age is a bit better spread out, because everyone's trying to learn how to, you know, do YouTube. So it kind of makes sense. But the top countries is the part you need to concentrate on. Yeah, look at the countries, guys. Number one is the US with 65%, dominated. Not as much as the other one with one country, with Brazil, but it's, you know, it's more than half. Then you got the UK second, and Canada. Look where Brazil is. Yeah, 1.9. There's very few videos. I forgot a few, but there's very few videos where Brazil was that small percentage on my channel. Yeah, because you already know A Star for Bants. Yeah, my Brazilians are those are the homies on that channel. So yeah, please look out for this, okay? And I'll show you what this made. Let me just show you. I'll be transparent to you guys. Let me show you what this made, okay? So just a bit more views than the other video. Yeah, this video is how to make a reaction video. Yeah, so this is an educational video on how to make reactions. 105,000 views, nearly $500. So this is nearly 10 times more than the other one. And it was basically the same amount of views. 10 times more. Times 10. Yeah? Now remember what I told you guys before about the CPM? You remember that? Let's look at that again. So as you can see, the CPM for this video is $9. I keep saying pounds, I'm sorry, it's because I'm from the UK, I keep forgetting the currency is dollars, yeah, on YouTube. $9 for every 1,000 views. Every time that this video gets 1,000 views, $9, yeah? Now again, this is based on if people have AdSense block and all that type of stuff, yeah? So this one's probably more of a realistic one. But if everyone watched it, the whole video, watched, you know, saw the ads, no ad blocker, then this would be a lot higher. But look at the CPM. So this video, in terms of advertisement, this video is worth $9 per 1,000 views. So if you're getting 100,000 views, then really and truly, this video is potentially worth wow. Hold on a second. 1,000 views. This video. Okay. Well, yeah, this video would be worth This video basically worth double. It'd be worth double. It'd be worth $900. Yeah, so nearly $1,000 for this video. Yeah, for one video. I told you YouTube, innit? But anyways. But I don't know, this RPM, yeah, I guess that means, you know, what you actually got in terms of, you know, the people that viewed your video. So I guess it's worth $4.5 per 1,000 views, and hence why that you see that figure. But yeah, for this video, I made $465 for these 100,000 views. So let's say this got 1 million views, then that number would say 4,000 for one video, yeah. Look, guys, I'm just here to tell you, innit, because like I said before, yeah, not everyone will tell you this type of information, unfortunately. Now listen, guys, I'm just here to tell you because not everyone's going to tell you this type of information. I wanted to show you guys firsthand what goes on, yeah, on YouTube, and how you can kind of, if you're starting a YouTube channel now, and how you can be kind of tactical and strategize in terms of your content to kind of, you know, if you wanted to make a living out of YouTube, to kind of, you know, either, well, there's two ways to do it, yeah, because again, you don't need a lot of subscribers. You don't need millions of subscribers to make a living on YouTube. You just need videos with high CPM. So you can have 10, you can have 1,000, you can have 100 viewers, you can have literally 100 subscribers, yeah. If your videos manage to hit the YouTube algorithm and they manage to get a decent amount of views, even if it's just like maybe, I don't know, maybe it's, you get 10,000 views, or you manage to get 1,000, if you manage to get 2 videos a month with 100,000 views, yeah, with this type of CPM, and you're making close to 1,000 a month just from YouTube, you're happy, you're winning. You know what I mean? You're happy. So just think about it like that. I hope this is a bit of motivation for you guys. I don't know if it is, but this is just examples. I could have showed you videos that I've got, like I've got a video for 1 million views and that type of stuff. I could show you, if you want me to show you what that made, then let me know in the comments down below. You know, if this gets a good amount of likes, then I might show you that as well. I might, yeah. But look, we're gonna leave it there. So, thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.